2018 Mini Cooper Countryman Review. The 2018 Mini Cooper Countryman finishes in the middle of our subcompact SUVs. It's one of the most upscale vehicles in the class and offers something for people who enjoy spirited driving. However, it still has some notable drawbacks. New for 2018. New plug-in hybrid powertrain option. Pros and cons. Spacious seats. Upscale interior. Poised handling. Weak base engine. Subpar cargo space. The Mini Cooper Countryman is a pretty good SUV. The available turbocharged engines provide decent acceleration, and the ride quality is generally comfortable. Both rows of seats can accommodate adults, which isn't a given in this class. The Countryman's cabin is also more upscale than those in most other subcompact SUVs. However, some rivals are more fuel efficient and provide more tech features and cargo space. Also, this Mini doesn't feel as agile as other Minis. As detailed above, there are reasons to like this Mini Cooper. However, it is an objectively worse value than many class rivals. There are several competitors with fewer drawbacks than the Countryman, and virtually every rival has a significantly lower price. There are also some worthwhile alternatives outside of the subcompact SUV class. The Mini Clubman is similar to the Countryman in many respects, but it's smaller because it's a subcompact car. The Fiat 500 liters is a wagon that has more cargo space and a better infotainment system, though it's not as fun to drive. The 2018 Mini Cooper Countryman features a standard 3-cylinder base engine, but it offers two available turbo-4 engines that move this SUV more easily. The 2018 model year also sees the introduction of a plug-in hybrid powertrain. The Countryman's ride is firm but comfortable, and it delivers poised handling on winding roads. The Countryman comes standard with a 134 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. A 6-speed automatic transmission is optional with this engine. The base engine has adequate power around town, but it feels sluggish when weighed down with people or cargo. A 189 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine in the S Countryman and a 228 horsepower twin turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine in the John Cooper Works Countryman are available. These engines deliver better power and acceleration, and they're probably worth the upgrade. In addition to the 6-speed manual transmission, these engines can be paired with an 8-speed automatic. New for 2018, the Countryman also offers a plug-in hybrid powertrain in the SE Countryman that features a twin turbocharged 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine and an electric motor that combine to put out 221 horsepower. The plug-in hybrid is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The 2018 Mini Cooper Countryman has a well-built interior that features plenty of high-end materials. Both rows of seats have plenty of head and legroom, but cargo space is subpar compared to competitors. There are a decent number of standard and available tech features, but the infotainment system forces you to navigate many menus for some functions. The Countryman seats 5 on standard leatherette upholstery. Sliding, reclining, and split-folding rear seats are also standard. Available features include heated seats, sports seats, and 8-way power-adjustable front seats with memory settings. Both rows of seats have plenty of headroom, though some may find the front seats a little narrow due to the side bolsters. Adults can ride comfortably in the back thanks to the rear seat's ample legroom. The Countryman has 2 sets of latch connectors for installing child safety seats. The tether anchors are easy to use. The lower anchors are easy to find and use, but they can be hard to maneuver around. The Mini Countryman comes standard with a panoramic sunroof, a proximity key, a rear view camera, rear parking sensors, Bluetooth, Siri's free, and the Mini connected infotainment system with a 6.5-inch display. Available features include a panoramic moonroof, adaptive cruise control, an 8.8-inch touchscreen, a 12-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, Apple CarPlay, wireless device charging, park assist, a head-up display, driver drowsiness monitoring, and navigation with real-time traffic.